In the field of education, teachers have always faced the difficulty of providing a learning environment where learners' needs may be focused on.
A safe and ideal learning environment is more than just four-walled classroom seats in a roof over learners' heads.
It is a place where students feel valued, encouraged, and inspired to learn, allowing them to realize their greatest potential.
In this journey, we will explore the key elements that contribute to such an environment.
We will go over everything from classroom management to presenting content in a way that keeps students interested.
Join us as we explore the ways on how to create a safe and conducive learning environment as well as its effect to the students.
The learning environment is critical to students' development and success, as it has a significant influence on their academic achievement, conduct, and overall well-being. To promote holistic development, teachers must provide a secure and suitable learning environment. Students are more likely to perform well when their learning environment generates a sense of respect and comfort. A classroom where basic needs are met, it encourages inclusivity and celebrates diversity, promote a sense of belongingness among all students. To explore this further, allow us to share the results of our interview with the deputy teacher who generously gave his insight about how a safe and conducive learning environment is designed.
According to Mr. Romeo Laguardia, a high school teacher from San Libon National High School, a typical classroom must have a well-organized seating arrangement that provide proper distance and visibility of the written text on the blackboard. He also added that since we rely on technology, it is important to make sure that the text and materials are visible to all students, even those students sitting at the back. Additionally, he stresses that maintaining cleanliness in the classroom is essential for the good learning environment, and the students should be familiar with the rules and regulations which should be strictly implemented. However, Mr. Romeo recognizes not just the importance of a classroom physical structure, but as well as how it impacts the behavior of the learners. Mr. Romeo always wants his students to follow some important rules to make the classroom a better place for learning. First, he wants them to keep the classroom clean, which means throwing trash in the bin and not leaving things lying around. And second, he asks them to keep their chairs in order so everyone has a comfortable and organized space to sit. He also stresses that respect is the most important rules. That means treating each other kindly, listening when someone else is talking, and not interrupting. And lastly, he expects good manners and right conduct from his students. These include things like saying please and thank you and being honest and following instructions.
Mr. Romeo make his lessons relatable and relevant to all his students by facilitating an activity where he asks them how the concepts they have learned affect their daily life. According to Mr. Romeo, when you let the students internalize the learning competencies, that is the time you touch the lives of the learners. For a course of discussion to be considered effective, teachers must ensure its relevance among the learners.
Hence, Mr. Romeo involved his students in all learning activities by fostering collaboration. Allowing them to exchange ideas through a group activity opens the door to various perspectives or viewpoints, which foster critical thinking skills and enhances the learning process.
He particularly believes that learning is enhanced when multiple minds collaborate. As a facilitator of learning, Mr. Romeo consistently monitors and observes participation levels among his students. This approach enables him to encourage timid learners to share their thoughts and insights during the next activity.
Throughout Mr. Romeo's 10 years of teaching experience, he has honed her ability to cultivate a comfortable learning environment. In addition to the aforementioned points, he also emphasizes the importance of respect and equal opportunities for all learners. Besides the physical environment, the individuals surrounding the students significantly influence their thinking and learning processes. It is indeed the teacher's duty to exemplify good character traits, fostering an atmosphere of respect and empathy within the classroom.
Hello, Tropang student teachers. This is Shaina from Edu Explorer. For more vlogs about our field study journey, till the next video.